Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video I will show you how to send money from Revolut to India. So the first step to send money from Revolut to India is install the app, sign into this app and deposit money into your account. You can deposit money by clicking on add money right here in the home screen. Then after you have some money in your account to send to India. Now you have to click on transfer in the bottom, then click on new in the top right corner, then click on send international. Here you need to select a destination country. You just type in India here, and you can choose how much you want to send the money here, and then you have to choose a transfer method. After that you can type reference and then click on continue. Then you have to enter the bank details of the person you are sending money to, and then click send money. And this is how you will send money by Revolut to India or any other country you wanna do. So if this video is very helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.